everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are good at your home and enjoying your hobby classes. I am feeling very great to teach you new activities every day. I hope you all are understanding what I mean to say. Yes, I am here again with a new activity which you are going to love it. It is a decorative piece which you can put to decorate your guest room. Okay? So, without wasting time, let's get started. Let me tell you the things which you need to make the decorative piece. So, these are the things which you need to make that decorative piece. First, cardboard. If you don't have cardboard, you can use back cover of your old notebooks also. Then, a compass, glitter sheets of any color, decoration stones, which these are easily available on any of the stationery shops. Newspapers, old. Then paper cup, only one paper cup you need. Then paint, blue, pink, and if these colors are very dark, you need white color paint also. Paint brushes, Fevicol or glue gun. Now, I am also not having cardboard, so I have taken this cover of scrapbook. Now what you will do with the help of this compass, I have opened with the help of scale, put one point at 0 centimeter and then measure 4 centimeter. Now your compass is open. Start making circles. How many circles you have to make? 3. Take care that all the circles will be of same size. Now we will again put this like. Now we have to make one more circle inside of this outer circle. Again, all the circles should be of same size. Done. Now with the help of scissors we are going to cut it. Now I have cut all these 3 circles and you can see inner circle also I have cut. Now I have taken this kind of glitter sheet. Remember one thing, you can take any of the color which you want to take. Now what you will do, at the back side we have to place all these rings and you have to trace, and then these are three circles, but you have to cut 6 circles of exact size on the same color of glitter sheets. Now you can see I have cut all the glitter sheets. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now what we are going to do, with the help of glue gun, we are going to paste it. And in the same way on the other side also we have to paste, and in the same way you have to paste all these rings on both the sides of your rings. Now as you can see, I have pasted glitter sheet on both the sides of this wheel. Now I am going to take this decorative stones and I am going to place it over here. like this. Now in the same way we have to paste this stones on all 3 wheels. Now I have taken a very thin strip of this glitter sheet, as you can see. Now I am going to paste it inside of our wheel. See how I am going to put some glue and then paste it like this. We have to cover this whole wheel. Again some glue. And the remaining part we are going to cut with the help of scissors. Now keep it aside to let it be dry. And now I have taken this half newspaper, and as you all know that what I am going to make with it. I have already taught you to make those newspaper sticks in last videos. So again we have to make those sticks only with the help of this newspapers. Now you can see I have made 6 sticks and I have painted them in pink color. See? Now what we have to do, we have to take one stick and keep all the sticks aside, and now we have to stick this inside of the wheel. Measure it like this, cut with the help of scissors. No. Yes. Now put some glue on both the sides. And place it here. Now again we have to take the measurement over here, and again we have to cut the stick, and now we have to place it over here. Like this we have to cover whole wheel, and this we have to repeat on our remaining 2 wheels also. As you can see, I have prepared all 3 wheels like this. Now we are going to keep them aside. Now I have taken this kind of paper teacup, You can find it at your home. Now I'm going to paint it with the help of this blue poster color. And if your poster color is too dark, you can add white to it. See, I have painted this paper cup with blue color and it is completely dry. Now take this one more stick in your hand, and now I am going to measure it 9 centimeter and cut into 2 pieces like I have already cut. And now we are going to join with the help of Fevicol or glue gun like this. See, I have pasted. Now we are going to join them like this so that they'll able to stand. Put some glue over here first. And then we are going to put glue on another wheel. And now we are going to join them like this. See, as you can see, I have pasted. Now we are going to keep it aside. Take this remaining wheel and one more stick. Now we are going to measure it 10 centimeter and we are going to cut again 2 sticks. We are going to cut exact of 10 centimeters. See, now what we are going to do, we are going to paste it here like this. See, I have pasted those sticks on both the side of this wheel. Now this remaining part I am going to measure it 8 centimeter. And now this we are going to paste it over here in straight like this. See, like this you have to prepare this. Now I have taken one more stick and I have cut into 2 pieces and the measurement of these sticks is 15 centimeter. Now what we are going to do it, just flatten from one side and now we have to paste them with the help of glue like this. One this side and on the same side we are going to paste it like this. I think you all are understanding what we are going to prepare. Like this we have to paste this. Ta-da! Doesn't it look nice? Now we are going to keep it aside so that it will get dry properly. And now we are going to decorate this cup with the help of these pearls and these stickers. Now see, this I have decorated. You can use any color of stickers, pearls or any decorative items which you are having available at your home. Now we are going to stick it. So put lots of glue over here and some glue over here also. And then we are going to place it over here. Now see, it is fixed. Now only one thing is remaining, which is basket. Now see, I have taken old cards. This much of strip I have already cut. Now we are going to cut it like this. And now we have to fold it little bit, not only we have to make a semicircle with the help of this paper. Don't press it, otherwise there will be a mark over here. And then we have to paste these two sides on this paper like this. You can see I have pasted with the help of glue gun. Now I am going to cut it. You can see extra paper on the four sides. You can cut with the help of scissors and make it very proper. This you can see. Now we are going to put some glue over here, and then we have to attach with this paper so that it will be covered from one side. It should be open from only one side. Now see, I have pasted. Now again we have to cut the remaining part. Be very careful while using scissors. See, now we are going to paint it with the same blue color which I have used on my paper cup. Okay, if you are using another color to paint this paper cup, same color you have to use here also. Now see, I have painted and decorated as I have decorated this paper cup. Now we are going to stick it here with the help of glue gun. Now see, it is pasted. Now you can see handles. I have used these two pearls, and now I am going to stick them here. Here also I am going to paste it in the same way. Now this is your decorative piece which is completed, and it is looking very nice. You can place it wherever you want to place it, either in your guest room or in your own room. Hope you like it and try it at your home. So this was our last video. Hope we'll meet soon in school or on online classes. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.